Fashion started with creation. And as we've gone further and further down this path of economies of scale, it's become about making it cheaper, irrespective of the cost of this planet. And so the inspiration was, how do we change this industry back to its roots? And I think this is going to be the model of businesses going forward. Resonance is a technology platform for creators that enables everyone in this industry, brands, retailers, manufacturers, to design infinitely with zero cost, to be able to sell on demand, no waste, and to make in the most provably sustainable manner. The old industry is design, make, hold an inventory, sell, waste a lot. We are design, sell, make. That technology didn't exist until the last few years. And even now, we are at the bleeding edge in terms of seeing what industrial AI looks like in a business. Making clothing is like a bunch of puzzle pieces you put together. Basically, everything is made on rolls of material. And the end result is that we are going to use every single bit of fabric. Our goal is to be zero waste material. We are here right now in our Chelsea Piers headquarters. We also have a development lab here where we're testing how do we sew garments in the US? How do we make this variety of garments dynamically in real time and make it so it's okay for the brands in terms of cost, okay for the customer in terms of cost, but also profitable to be one of the factories here in the US. We have actually a larger business in Santiago, in the Dominican Republic. But from this factory is how we are learning how to take this technology and put it out in this industry. At the core of design, sell, make is the idea of a distributed concept that I can have 5 of these shirts made in different paths around the world and have every single one of them show up identically. That doesn't exist. And so what we envision is a global network of factories, brands, retailers, and everyone else in the industry connected together in real time. As we look to grow our business internationally, we're going to build on the success we've had in the Dominican Republic. The normal way a company would come into a market is saying, well, here's some cheap labor, here's a factory, let's get going and be isolated as an island. The smartest engineers in the world to develop clothing like this are our engineers in the Dominican Republic. And so you've got to take a business culture that is oriented around US-based companies looking at labor in this way. And I think this serves as a model for us as we look at these opportunities to start smaller factories around the world. What are the things we have to do to be able to have people have a mindset about this is their company and how they grow and how they build wealth? We say do something really f***ing big. And it's not about another pizza slice company or another grocery delivery thing. It's about how do you change an industry? How do you change it in a way that goes from destroying this planet to building this planet, that embraces the future, not the past?